Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very beautiful pattern of crochet detachable collar neck design for toddler girl. I have got a request to make it, and you can make it in any other sizes as well. And I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook for this project, which is equal to 2mm aluminum crochet hook, and I am using a 3-ply yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we are going to make chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, chain 10, and in this way we would make chains which are multiple of 3 plus 2. So I have made chains which are multiple of 3. I have made 84 chains plus 2 more chains for the pattern, and then make chain 1 and chain 2, and first 3 chains will be counted as our double crochet stitch. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the 4th chain from the hook, which is here, and then draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. So we have 2 double crochet stitches here, including first 3 chains. Make chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet stitch into the next chain, make chain 1, make a double crochet stitch by skipping 1 chain, make a double crochet stitch into the next chain, then make chain 1 again, skip 1 chain, into the next one, make double crochet, then into the next one, make double crochet. So this is our pattern. We would make 2 double crochets in 2 chains, then chain 1, and we would skip 1 chain. Repeat this process till the end of this chain. So I have completed all stitches. Make 3 chains to start the next row. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and in this next row we are going to make increasing stitch in the first stitch. So here we would not skip this very first stitch, we would make a double crochet stitch into it, including 3 chains. We have 2 stitches, then into the next double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet, and we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches here. Now make chain 1 into the very first stitch after chain 1 space. We are going to make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then into the next make double crochet. We have a set of 3 here. Now make chain 1, go into the next double crochet stitch after chain 1, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this stitch, then into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, we are going to repeat this pattern of making 2 double crochet in the one stitch and 1 double crochet in the next one plus chain 1 till the end of this round this row. At the end make chain 1, make 2 double crochet stitches in this last double crochet stitch, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, and after that we have chain 3 which is counted as a double crochet. So in third chain we are going to make our last double crochet stitch. For the next row, make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet. So turn up the work, and now we are going to make a simple row without an increase. So we are going to skip first stitch, and into the next stitch make double crochet, then into the next stitch make double crochet. We have 3 in the previous row and 3 in this row. In this panel, make chain 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet into the second stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the third stitch. Make chain 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the second one, and then 1 double crochet into the third one. So repeat this process without making any increase in any of this stitch till the end of this third row. So third row is completed. For the fourth one we are going to make increasing pattern. Make 3 chains, and these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet almost in every row. So now in the very first stitch we are going to make a double crochet stitch because this is our increasing stitch. So make 1 double crochet into it, then 1 double crochet into the second stitch, and 1 double crochet into the third stitch. So we have a set of 4 double crochet stitches here now. Make chain 1 into the very first stitch here of the next panel, make double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2, then into the next double crochet stitch make double crochet, and then into the last stitch of this panel make 1 double crochet. We have set of 4 again. Make chain 1, and into the next double crochet stitch make double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2, then into the next double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet, and repeat this pattern till the end. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3 to start the next row, and next row would be simple. Skip 1 stitch, into the second double crochet make double crochet, then into the third one make 1 double crochet, and into the fourth one make 1 double crochet, and we have 4 double crochet stitches in this panel. Make chain 1 double crochet in the first stitch of next panel, 1 double crochet into the second stitch, 1 double crochet into third stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the fourth stitch. So this is our pattern without any increase. We would just make one row simple without any increase, and the other row would be increasing row with 1 stitch increased in every panel, and then next row would be again simple. So complete this row. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Turn up the work, and we are going to make increasing row now. So in the very first stitch make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet into the second stitch, 1 double crochet into the third stitch, 1 double crochet into the fourth stitch, and we have a set of 5 double crochet stitches in this panel. Make chain 1 and into the very next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then into the next double crochet stitch make double crochet 1, into the next one make double crochet 1, and then into the last stitch of this panel make double crochet 1. And in this way we would make 5 double crochet stitches in each panel by increasing 1 in the first one till the end. So this row is also completed. Now make chain 1, turn up the work, and we are going to make shell stitches. So skip 2 stitches, and here is our third stitch in this panel. So in this third stitch we are going to make a shell stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6. After making 6 double crochet stitches, here in this chain 1 space make single crochet like this. Now we are going to work in the third stitch again of the next panel. In this third stitch make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and we are going to make a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So make shell stitches in every third stitch of panel till the end of this row. In the end make a slip stitch into the third chain, pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Weave this yarn end with the help of needle. And we are going to make single crochet around the neck. So for this purpose we are going to make straps of chain first also. So make chains, make 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain, chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and into this ring make double crochets to make a circle. You can make a simple 5 petal flower on the end of this chain strap as well if you want. It is up to you. I am making a circle because I am making it for baby. Make 15 stitches in this ring including first 3 chains, then make a slip stitch into the third chain. And now we are going to make chains. Just make chains as long as you want it to be. For mine I would make 70 chains. So I have made 70 chains, and now we are going to attach it to the first stitch here in the base chain. So in this first chain make single crochet, then make a single crochet into the second chain here, then a single crochet in the chain 1 space. Weave the starting yarn end inside these single crochet stitches, single crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, then single crochet in the chain 1 space, So this is our pattern of making single crochet to make this edge more fine and neat. You can make this strap and single crochet stitch with contrasting color as well if you want. So make it till the end and then make chains of the next side as well. So I have completed single crochet stitches and make same number of chains for the other side as well. Now make 3 chains and we are going to make 4 chains to make circle again. So make 4 chains and make a slip stitch into the 4th chain from the hook. Then make 3 chains. After making 3 chains, we are going to make double crochet stitches in this ring of chain. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, complete 15 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Then make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain and our pattern is ready. Pull the yarn, cut the ending yarn strand and join beads with the help of needle in the center. So I have added beads and woven all the yarn ends and very beautiful collar neck pattern is ready. For adult size you can just increase number of chains in the start and you can add multiples of 3 chains according to your measurement in inches around your neck, and you can make this in bigger size and you can increase the starting rows pattern with the same pattern as well. So thank you so much for watching.